Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a unpackaging from Disturbia. So 2 days ago I ordered a mystery package which cost me £25. I originally wanted to buy the £50 one where you get £100 worth of merchandise, but it was out of stock. So I ordered the £25 one and it came within 2 days. It cost £3.95 for postage, I think, and it is here. So I was really intrigued with the Disturbia mysteries. So I've bought one and I just want to show you because then you kind of know what sort of things to expect. I'm assuming it's going to be stuff from the sale. So this is the package. I'm not really sure what I was expecting for when it arrived, but it's literally just in a black bag. I'm going to guess there's probably 3 items in here. I've ordered a size smaller than me because I'm still on my weight loss journey, and during quarantine I have maintained my weight, and it's a good thing, but it's also a bit annoying because in this 5 weeks I could have lost more and my mojo has gone. So hopefully whatever's in here, if I like it, it's gonna push me to lose some more weight while I'm not at work. So let's dive straight in and see what's inside. There is quite a bit of weight to the parcel, package, whatever you want to call it. Oh, this is nerving. Okay, I don't know what my face probably looked like just then. Okay, there's nothing else in there. Okay, so there's 2 items in here. Does it say anything on here? Thank you for your order. Right, so the 2 things are... So let's open this first. Is it a necklace? I think it's a necklace. Oh, it's so chunky. I'm not sure if I'll wear this, but as we all know, Batbones channel, we love a mystery, don't we? All these boxes that I buy. No, it's quite cute though. Got a good weight to it. Does it say how much this was, or... No, it literally just says mystery box, women's returns and exchanges. Okay, so it's cute. I'm not sure if I'll wear it, to be honest. Is it a choker? Like, what is it? I'm going to have a look on the website. If it's something that I'm not really into, then I will add it to my giveaway that I'm going to be doing very soon, as soon as I hit 2,000 subscribers. So thank you to each and every one of you that has subscribed to me so far. Stay tuned because I am going to be doing a giveaway and that may be inside. Right, so the other item is this. So this is the £25 one. And it's supposed to be £50 worth of stuff. Okay, so it's a cotton shirt with... Oh, it's buttoned. I thought it was just a polo, but... So, buttoned shirt with a lock on the collars. I don't know. I don't know if that would suit me. What would I wear it with? Help me, help style me. What would I wear this with? Obviously I need to try it on because the whole hoping I was going to get some clothes that were a little bit small for me has gone out of the window, because this looks quite big, but I'm a big gal. Okay. Well, I'm not sure whether it was worth £25. I'm going to have to look on the website and see whether they're still on there and how much they are. You get a little spare button as well for all those button poppers. Right, well, that was my £25 mystery package from Disturbia. 2 items, apparently worth £50. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thank you so much for watching and for being here. It means so much to me. So if you are new here, make sure that you like and subscribe if you want to see more of me, and if you are a regular, thank you.